my lovely fart faces. Today I have something very special to share with you guys. I'm very excited to showcase this on my channel. This kit was sent to me from Captured by Radiance, and they're not a new company, because as you might remember, I did unbox one of their diamond paintings previously. This looks really pretty. I'm excited. I'm definitely going to bump this up my list of canvases to do. They just released a bunch of new images and they're legally licensed through MGL licensing. I'm not familiar with MGL licensing, but they have people such as Dominic Davison, etc. I'll put a screenshot from their website of the new releases. So it comes to us in a box within a box. That's really good. Then it's sturdy. Wow! It has their logo here, Captured by Radiance, your masterpiece awaits. There's their website. I will have this link down below. Here is the end of the box, and it says Fuji Lake, Dominic Davison. So they emailed me asking if I would show you guys one of their new diamond paintings, and I was like, yes, please. So here is, wow, look how they wrapped it. So here is Fuji Lake by Dominic Davison. Oh my goodness. This is wrapped so nicely. Okay. Let's pull out. Here we have a toolkit. Okay, let's see what's included in the toolkit. I like the little bag that it comes in. Is that organza or an organza bag? We have a sticker. We have a card. A white tray. We have two multi-placers, one 7-placer, one 4-placer, and they're the good skinny kind. We have tweezers, pointy tweezers, a pen, blue wax, and we have a squishy. Let's pull out the canvas. Now, this company was founded by two sisters. One of them lives in Manitoba, and one lives, I believe, in Washington State. Oh, we have another toolkit. So the exact same stuff that came in that previous toolkit comes in this toolkit. So we actually got two toolkits. Our drills come packaged in baggies, which is really nice. Nicely labeled with the DMC code. Look at those ABs. Wow. Okay. The canvases do ship from... I'm like, there has to be more drills. There's going to be more drills in here, isn't there? The canvases ship from Manitoba. Here's more drills. Is there more? Okay. The canvases do ship from Manitoba in Canada, and it's just exciting because it's nice to have another Canadian company. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay. All right. Okay. Before we look at the canvas, it comes with a schematic sheet. Here's another look at the thumbnail. Fuji Lake, Dominic Davison. Sorry, not Davidson. So just some notes that they sent me. This is a velvet cotton short lint canvas, and it has scalloped edges, so it's not going to fray. And their kits only come in rounds, and they come with 4 ABs each. This is beautiful. So let's do a little tour of the canvas. At the top here, we have Captured by Radiance. And then on the left-hand side, we have the schematic. Then we have their Facebook and Instagram. Your masterpiece awaits. On the right-hand side, we have, SNAP insurance, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Then we have the schematic again, and then the top right corner, there is Fuji Lake, Dominic Davison. And then this measures 95 by 60 centimeters. That's crazy. This is beautiful. This is a huge diamond painting. I obviously can't fit it all in frame, but we have what looks to be like a geisha with an umbrella, some birds. Down here we have little swans. Yeah, swans. Oh, wow. This is just so beautiful. Really pretty. We'll look at the drill field. Here's the drill field. I don't see Just from first glance, okay, let me move this stuff. Just from first glance, I'm not seeing any issues. We'll look at the schematic. So here's the schematic, so you can see the symbols. It also has the DMC numbers. And again, this is a round diamond painting with 4 ABs. Yeah, I think this one will turn out really nicely. Let's take a look at the ABs. Here we have our drills. I really like how they come pre-baggied. And I think these are the ABs. So here we have 5200, 666, 701, which is this nice green. And we have 210. That's really pretty. Wait, one more thing I wanted to check is, apparently these are resin round drills. I honestly do not know how to check if they're resin or acrylic. But I'm not seeing any issues. Like, I'm not seeing any of those weird dimples or anything like that. They look like to be really good, consistent drill sizes. Yeah. Okay, I'm not the expert at telling resin and acrylic drills apart, but I think these look really good. Like, I don't see a lot of trash or anything like that. I don't see dimples. I don't see tabs. I'm excited about this. Let's see where those ABs go. So we have the pink AB2, or the pink purpley AB, 210 AB, which is symbol, the music symbol. So we have, it's all going to be, that pink purpley AB is all going to be in the tree here. Some over there, but mostly all in this tree here. You're going to see that pink purpley AB. Some a little bit down here. And a little bit, a very tiny bit down here. Then we have the red AB 666, which is D. So D is going to be all along here, here. It's so hard to see. Sorry, guys. Sprinkled throughout the bridge, down here. And I think that's it. So yeah, a lot of D's down here and then across the bridge. Then we have the green AB, which is 4. So 4 is going to be down here in the bushes, or whatever you want to call this area. Then along, is there going to be some up here? Some up here, along there. In this side, there's going to be some here, along there, along here. So it's sprinkled all throughout the diamond painting. I really like that because it's not highlighting one specific section. It's kind of scattered across. And then 5200, which is white, which is a check mark. You're going to see everywhere where you see this white color, that's where you're going to see the ABs. So here. Oh, the swans. The swans are ABs. That's so pretty. So the swans here are all going to be ABs, like the whole top part of them. And then there's some ABs in the, oh, sorry. It's so hard to show you guys this because it's such a large canvas. In the purple trees up there, there's going to be ABs. In the mountain, oop. In the Fijian mountaintop, there's going to be Fijian. Is that right? I don't know. In the mountaintop, there's going to be ABs, and along here. So this is Fuji Lake by Dominic Davison. And just to go over some notes, the company was founded by 2 sisters, and they actually go through the kits personally. All of the canvases are shipped from Manitoba, Canada. And the pens on their website are made in Washington State. The canvases are velvet, cotton, short lint, poured glue, only available in rounds, and come with 4 ABs in each kit. All of them are licensed, and they actually have 17 more images that are currently waiting to go into production. And if you join their Facebook group, you can get exclusive discounts, you get to vote on images, etc. And if you're interested, this canvas is out right now along with these other canvases. So if you're interested in purchasing one, you can use the code bevbe1 at checkout and you'll get a 20% discount on all new releases. This is only a limited time code, so go check them out and use bevbe1 to get 20% off. Just to be clear, I don't get anything. If you do use my code, it's kind of just like, ooh, Beverly has clout and her audience, like these people were sent here by BevB. So yeah, BevB1 to save 20% off. You don't have to use my code, but it'd be appreciative if you do. And with that, I'd like to thank Captured by Radiance for sending me this awesome diamond painting. I am really happy with the diamond painting. I like the rendering. I like the drill field. It looks clear. The drills look awesome. And to know that they're resin, well, I don't actually know. Like, I don't know the difference between acrylic and resin, but I know that resin drills are better than acrylic. And the 2 drill kits, if I was new to diamond painting, the 2 toolkits are actually really helpful for those who are new. I just really like the canvas. I think it looks really great. I'm excited to work on it, and let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Are you going to get one? Again, use my code BevB1 if you want 20% off. And if you're new here and you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond paintings on a regular basis. And if you are Canadian, I do review Canadian diamond painting businesses, which includes Captured by Radiance. So thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!